US Plastic Corp offers an extensive collection of Diamond RealSeal bottles. Diamond RealSeal bottles are lighter in weight than glass and protect against leakage, breakage, and contamination. From small sample bottles to large format bottles, you always get high quality products at an economical price when using Diamond RealSeal laboratory bottles. Narrow mouth bottles improve the pouring of liquid contents, making them perfect for storing and shipping liquids. These amber bottles reduce UV light transmission to protect light-sensitive contents during storage and transport. All Diamond RealSeal amber bottles comply with U.S. Pharmacopeia 23661 requirements for maximum light transmission. Diamond RealSeal amber narrow mouth bottles with caps are made of medical-grade resin to meet demanding requirements, precision molded for consistent wall thickness and smooth surfaces. They are leak-proof and safe for freezer storage down to -100 degrees Celsius. These narrow mouth bottles are also BPA and phthalate free and meet FDA standards and USP Class 6 for pharma and research applications. For more information on our Diamond RealSeal amber narrow mouth bottles with caps or any of our other Diamond RealSeal bottles, visit us online at usplastic.com or call us at 800-537-9724. Thanks for watching.